Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Anwar and you are watching Dynamic English Academy. Today I am going to teach you how to use future continuous and future perfect continuous. There are so many students, they have some difficulties using these tenses. I will try to make it easier for you so you will be able to understand it easily. So let's start. I will be watching a movie. This is future continuous sentence, and I will have been watching a movie, let's say for 2 hours. This is future perfect continuous sentence. Now we need to understand the difference. The first and foremost difference is this is the answer of what. What will you be doing? So you can say, I will be watching a movie. This is not the answer of what. You cannot say, I will have been watching a movie for 2 hours just to say, what will you be doing? So this is the answer of how long. कुछ लोग बताते हैं कि सर आप हिंदी में क्यों नहीं समझाते? So let me explain it in Hindi one time. I will be watching a movie. मैं फिल्म देख रहा हूँगा at certain point of time. Let's say at 12 o'clock or at 1 o'clock, at 2 o'clock, I will be watching a movie and I am answering the question. मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ कि आप क्या कर रहे होंगे. So I am saying I will be watching a movie. लेकिन दूसरा वाला sentence, I will have been watching a movie for 2 hours. इस सेंटेंस के अंदर मैं उस सवाल का जवाब नहीं दे रहा हूं कि आप क्या कर रहे होंगे, बल्कि इस सवाल का जवाब है कि आप कितने देर से कर रहे हैं. So at let's say at 2 o'clock, I will have been watching a movie for 2 hours. यानी 2 बजे मैं 2 घंटे से फिल्म देख रहा हूँगा. तो ये जवाब है इस बात का कि आप इस काम को कितने देर से कर रहे होंगे. For example, tomorrow I'll be teaching this class at 7 p.m. I'll be teaching this class. But this is almost 8 o'clock. So tomorrow at this time, I will have been teaching this class for 1 hour. कल इस टाइम पे मैं 1 घंटे से क्लास पढ़ा रहा हूँगा. Tomorrow at this time, I'll have been teaching the class for 1 hour. कोई आपसे फ़ोन करके कहता है कि मैं आपसे मिलने आ रहा हूँ अभी और कल मैं इस टाइम पे आपसे मिलने आऊँगा. कल क्या मैं 8 बजे मिलने आ जाऊँ? तो आप कह सकते हैं नो, because I will be studying in the class or I will be attending my English class. तो फिर वो आपसे पूछता है कि तो फिर कितने बजे आऊँ? 8:30 बजे आ जाऊँ? आपने कहा नो, at 8:30 again I will be attending my class because my class will finish at 8:30, so I can meet you after 8:30. My class goes on 1.5 hours. So you can say tomorrow I will have been studying for 1.5 hours. कल मैं 1.5 घंटे से पढ़ रहा होऊंगा. तो कल मैं पढ़ रहा होऊंगा, I will be studying. कल मैं 1.5 घंटे से पढ़ रहा होऊंगा, I will have been studying tomorrow for 1.5 hours. I hope it's clear for you. If you have some more questions related to this, you can ask your question in the comment below and I will be happy to answer you. Thank you so much.